When you care this much about your work, it shows. For more than 20 years, Tri-County Enterprises has been helping Eastern Iowans add long-lasting curb appeal to their homes with high-quality roofing products backed by top-of-the-line service. Our team's expertise, combined with our proven process, means a quality, finished product and a great customer experience. Every project begins with a call to our friendly office staff who gather your information and put you in touch with the right manager for the job. Our team are excellent communicators, and we pride ourselves on being easy to reach. Before we draft a proposal, one of our experienced estimators meets with you at the job site to get a better sense of your vision for the project. We take the time to get to know the details, from your budget and time constraints to your style and material preferences. At the job site, we take thorough measurements and identify potential challenges that might arise once the project is underway. With a clear understanding of your goals and situation, we help you review your options and select the right course of action. Product selection is easier with a Tri-County representative to walk you through your choices, compare samples, and give you their unbiased recommendations based on your needs and preferences. We carry a wide range of high-quality asphalt roofing products to give you more choices when it comes to shingle style, color, and design. And we only use the most trusted products, so no matter which roofing system you choose, your home and what's in it stay well protected for decades to come. Tri-County partners with Malarkey Roofing Products and GAF Roofing Products to bring you the very best in shingle roofing systems. As the only roofer in the state of Iowa that meets the standards to qualify as a Malarkey Emerald Premium Contractor, we're able to offer an unbeatable 45-year full replacement warranty on their top-of-the-line asphalt roofing systems. GAF is the maker of the #1 selling shingle brand in North America. They keep high standards of quality installation methods and stringent certification criteria for all of their installers. Tri-County is proud to be designated as a GAF factory certified contractor. After you've narrowed down your favorite products, we sit down with you to go over our proposal in detail, giving you plenty of time to ask questions and make adjustments. Once you're confident in your product selection, we'll get started ordering the materials and scheduling the project right away. Every project is assigned a dedicated supervisor who assembles the most qualified crew for the job based on their skills and experience. Our efficient process keeps the job moving along the way at a steady pace to minimize interruption to your daily life. So you can follow along with our progress, we provide you with a customer web portal that lets you track the status of your project, view invoices, and make secure online payments. Our goal at Tri-County is always to exceed your expectations. We carry only high-quality products to make sure your project is successful. But it's our unbeatable service that sets us apart. We go to great lengths to arrive at exactly the time our scheduler says we'll be there. We're also known for our timeliness and fast one-day installation. So we never rush a job. We do as much prep work as we can ahead of time, so the process moves smoothly and quickly from the moment our truck pulls into your house to the moment we wave goodbye. During installation, our project supervisor is available on site to explain the entire plan and keep you updated on the team's progress in real time. When it comes to installation, we never cut corners. As your old roof is removed, we carefully inspect the structure underneath and take care to replace any rotting wood we find. Before your new shingles are installed, we add the proper underlayments according to manufacturer and city codes. These add an extra layer of protection against ice, wind, and snow for your peace of mind during the harsh Iowa winters. To ensure you get the most from your warranty, we follow the manufacturer's instructions to the T. You can rest easy knowing every member of the team has had extensive training and is supported by supervisors who provide additional oversight and quality assurance. Everyone on our team treats your home and your space with respect, carefully prepping the site and cleaning up afterwards. Before we get started, our crew moves your valuables out of harm's way and covers the perimeter of your house with tarps for fast and effective cleanup. Once your new asphalt roof is in place and has been thoroughly inspected by your supervisor, we walk you through the job site to show you our work and get your final approval. Since Tri-County first got started in 1997, we've served more than 30,000 satisfied customers. We're proud of the reputation we've earned and invite you to look us up on your favorite review site. See what your neighbors and friends are saying about their experience with Tri-County Enterprises on Google, Facebook, and Angie's List, where we're consistently rated with top scores. Or check us out on the Better Business Bureau, where we've had an A+ rating and 0 complaints since we were accredited. Or see for yourself. Give us a call at 319-364-2220 and tell us about your home exteriors challenges.